Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Venmo stop working right after your iPhone updated to a new iOS version? This is one of the most searched Venmo problems after every Apple update. And here's the fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates sometimes cause temporary conflicts with the app, and a fresh start clears most of them right away. After restarting, go ahead and open the App Store, tap on your profile picture at the top right, and then scroll down past your account details and look for Venmo in the list of available updates. Payment apps like Venmo release compatibility updates within a day or two of every major iOS release. Tap update immediately if you see it listed. If there is no update available yet and Venmo is still crashing or broken, go to your settings app, then go to general, and then go to iPhone storage. Scroll down until you see Venmo in the app list and then tap offload the app. After offloading, go to the App Store, search for Venmo and then reinstall it fresh. This always gives you a clean version built for your current iOS. So, all you've got to do is restart your phone, check App Store for Venmo update, offload and reinstall if still broken, Venmo working on new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe for more Venmo fixes.